Ladies and gentlemen, today is a good day because YouTube just announced that they're finally cracking down on all of the AI slop that has been plaguing YouTube for the past 2 months. So on July 15, 2025, channels that are not original or authentic content, you're not going to be able to make money from YouTube ads. So that means all these AI slop channels like this one that has like 10 million subscribers, which is pretty ridiculous, that post really bad, low quality, low effort AI videos, they're not going to be able to make money from YouTube ads anymore. So hopefully that will disincentivize people from making more of these really spammy channels that really bring down the experience of YouTube lately. So the official update on what exactly is considered unoriginal and inauthentic content, that's going to be released July 15th, a few days from me recording this video. But if you're still seeing this part of this video right now, it means that I've reviewed the new guidelines and everything I said in this video is still accurate and still true. So let's go over what to expect if your channel is screwed or what changes you need to make to your channel to make sure it doesn't get demonetized. What this means for you if you still want to make money on YouTube with a Faceless channel where you don't have to show your face or use your voice or make the videos yourself, because rest assured, Faceless channels are still alive and well, especially after this update. Why the gurus out there who have sold you on this dream of creating AI slop content are now cooked. Why this update is actually a good thing that you should be excited about if you're interested in making a Faceless channel so that you can make some side income. And of course, how much AI can you actually use on your channel without it being demonetized? Because Faceless channels are not going to die from this update because there's always going to be a need for Faceless content on YouTube. And I doubt AI is going to be outright banned. Like if you use a little bit of AI in your video here, then the whole channel is going to get demonetized. I don't think that's going to happen. Now again, the terrible AI channels like these ones, they're definitely going to get demonetized, and rightfully so, because there are plenty of Faceless channels out there that are still extremely good where you don't get annoyed watching them. Like, why not just click on this AI slop? Like, I would think my channels fall into that category of, actual good Faceless content. And at the end of the day, even if this update didn't take place and you could still make money from like AI slop channels, you do not want to be running an AI slop channel at all costs. Because although an AI slop channel may feel easier to start in the moment, by running an AI slop channel, you're actually making it impossible for you to ever actually make life-changing money from it. And that's why if you go back through all the videos on this channel, I hammer home the point over and over again that you should never make one of these low-quality Faceless channels, whether it's a meditation channel or one of these AI storytelling channels,
unlocking your highest potential,
or sport highlight clips, or any of these other really terrible channels out there that these gurus just pitch because they sound easy. And that's why I've also always preached that you should only ever make a real Faceless channel that viewers actually get value out of in a way that doesn't require 10 times more effort. Because think about it, how many times have you ever subscribed to an AI slop channel like this versus a real channel, like a real Faceless channel? How many times have you gone back to an AI slop channel like this to watch more of their videos? How many times have you seen a sponsor spot on an AI slop channel like this? How many times have you bought something that an AI slop channel like this has promoted? Well, if you're like a real person, like a real high value viewer, which if you're watching this channel, you definitely are, the answer to all these questions is close to zero. And that is the problem, because the two keys to making real wealth from YouTube are, number one, you need repeat viewers, and number two, you need multiple income streams. You can think of repeat viewers as kind of like repeat buyers for a business. Think about how hard it is to scale a business when you're selling a product that doesn't work. So you're kind of just relying on tricking the customer into buying, but then they get it and they get pissed off and they never buy from you again. You're always going to be chasing the next dollar. It's going to be really hard to get any kind of like snowball effect rolling where you get like exponential growth. And the same thing is true with running a channel. If you run a channel where you're kind of relying on just like tricking viewers into watching your terrible videos, or they click on it and it's so low quality that maybe they're like kind of neutral about it, but they never come back, you're never going to get the snowball growth that people talk about on YouTube, where things just get easier, faster, and exponentially bigger over time. The only way you can get the snowball growth is by having repeat viewers that are actual fans that actually want to watch more of your videos, that actually get excited when you post. And since you can't build real, genuine fans of your channel when you're running an AI slop channel, you're never going to be able to make money from other income streams, which is the second key to making actual wealth from YouTube. Because what is the one truth that every smart channel owner knows is that YouTube ads should only be the icing on the cake of your income. Every smart channel owner out there, they almost always make way more money from their other income streams compared to just YouTube ads. Just by adding sponsors to your videos, you can easily 2x your income, like literally 2x your income overnight. And 2x is conservative, by the way, just by having a sponsor spot. And here is a perfect example of that. Here's one of my recent videos. It made around 1.7K in YouTube ads so far. It will probably grow to a lot more. But yeah, 1.7K from just YouTube ads. But if you look at one of my recent sponsor spots, would you look at that? The sponsor spot alone for one video is 4.2K. And here's the thing, with an AI slop channel, no sponsor is gonna wanna sponsor that. All the brands you see sponsoring channels on YouTube, they wanna sponsor channels that feel real, that feel authentic. And if the first impression of your channel is that, oh, this is another AI slop channel, they're not gonna sponsor you. So even if you somehow could make like $1.7 thousand off of YouTube ads on an AI slop channel, which is extremely hard on one single video, you're literally gonna miss out on taking your income from 1.7K to close to 6K. So that sponsors, many channels make a ton of money from affiliates instead of sponsors. Memberships can easily 2 to 4x the amount of money you can make, and selling your own products, that's at least 2x, but it can go to many higher multiples. But again, if your channel is perceived as, oh, just another AI slop channel, not only are sponsors not going to come to you, but your viewers aren't going to trust you enough to buy anything from you. So you can't like promote affiliate products, you can't sell your own products, you can't do memberships, and even if you get the views but you try to promote one of these things, you're not going to get many sales at all. Maybe you see some of these Instagram pages out there that, you know, look pretty AI and they promote some ebook that they wrote. Guess what? I can pretty much guarantee that they're not making any significant amount of money at all, because the trust isn't there, the authenticity isn't there. So the point I'm trying to get at is, even if YouTube wasn't changing this rule and you could still monetize an AI slop channel, why on earth would you do that? It's pretty much impossible for you to make any meaningful amount of money from that. And realistically, with an AI slop channel, you can probably max out at around maybe 3 to 5K per month. But you know what? Let's say you can make 5K per month from it just to be nice. Well, here is a secret. It takes the same amount of effort to make a channel that maxes out at 5K per month versus a channel that makes 50 plus K a month. Because whether you're running an AI slop channel or a real quality Faceless channel like the ones I show you how to make on this channel, whatever route you take, you're still gonna have to choose video ideas, you're still gonna have to use AI to write the videos, you're still gonna have to hire editors or edit yourself if you want to, you're still gonna have to hire an affordable thumbnail designer to get the thumbnail made, or use a mix of like Canva and AI. So running an AI slop channel versus a real channel is still gonna take literally the same amount of mental space in your head. And if it takes the same amount of mental effort to make a channel that makes 5K per month versus a channel that can make over $50,000 per month, if it's not 10 times harder for you to set yourself up in a way where you can make 10 times more money, why on earth would you not shoot for the moon? Because when you shoot for the moon and you commit to making a real Faceless channel that has real fans, falling flat on your face might mean making only $5,000 per month. And that's still enough to reduce the amount of hours you work, maybe quit if you want to and go all in. And with a few minor adjustments here and there to your channel that I go over in videos like this, you can still get your 5K per month real Faceless channel to 10K per month or 20K per month. But if you take this quote unquote easy route of making an AI slop channel, falling flat means that you're making maybe what, $300 per month? If even that, for the same amount of mental effort. So what am I getting at here? Well, if you're one of these people who have been unfortunately misled by these other gurus into making an AI slop channel, and now you're really discouraged by seeing this YouTube update, number one, that really sucks and I'm sorry. And number two, maybe you can view this as a blessing in disguise to save you from this fate that I just went over, starting a really terrible AI slop channel that has zero potential to make you life-changing money. Because maybe if you switch to making a real Faceless channel now, maybe you'll end up making way more money than you would have otherwise. Because with less AI slop on YouTube, it makes the experience of YouTube a lot better. You're not, plagued with a bunch of AI slop. It makes the perceived value of YouTube a lot higher. And all that means YouTube is going to be able to attract more advertisers, which means more YouTube ads in your pocket. It will attract more sponsors to YouTube, which means you'll make more money from fatter sponsor spot checks. Viewers will have more trust in the channels on the platform in general, which will make it easier for you to launch products to your viewers in the future. And overall, it will just be better for everyone as a whole. So I am super excited about this update. And let me show you what happens when you actually make a real Faceless channel. So this is my client Ronaldo over here. And because Ronaldo built a real Faceless channel that feels authentic, that doesn't feel spammy, he was able to start making money right away and quit his Best Buy warehouse job after only a few uploads. Or take my client, well, because I showed him how to build a real Faceless channel, he was able to find a sponsor for $5,000 per month recurring after just a few uploads. That's right, $5,000 per month stable after just a few uploads. And this is because he had built such a strong Faceless channel in the niche that the sponsor wanted to build a Faceless channel for themselves in already. So they decided to just sponsor him, who's already doing this. These are the kind of opportunities that can open up if you build a real channel. Or take Tran over here, for example. My company, Evil Goods, decided to sponsor one of his videos, even though he only has 6 uploads, only 6 Faceless videos. So he's been able to get monetized, get his first sponsor, and has seen crazy growth after just 6 uploads, and it's all because he built a real channel that feels authentic, that feels original, even though he still uses AI in his process. So hopefully now you can see just how unfair it is to run a real Faceless channel versus an AI slop channel like this. And the same exact system that I gave Ronaldo and Will and Chan to build their profitable Faceless channels after just a few uploads, it's the exact same system that I've used to scale 2 of my 7-figure Faceless channels that make over $1 million per year while I only have to work around an hour a day. Yes, it really is just an hour a day. You can see the breakdowns from these screenshots right here. You can see the 2 channels right here that I showed earlier. And if this system sounds interesting to you, it includes all the SOPs, all the ideation process, like how do I come up with video ideas and where do I find these channel ideas and stuff, all the scripting templates and all the other templates. It's basically everything you need to plug and play to create a real Faceless channel that has real raving fans, that can have multiple income streams, that do make a real impact on the world while giving you back your time. So yeah, if you're interested in that, I reviewed this entire system in what I call my 5-day Faceless income faster. It's a 5-day program where over the course of 5 days, I walk you through every step of the system so that by the end, you have your own Faceless channel set up in the right way so that you can start making money. Now, to be clear, I am not promising that this is going to make you a millionaire after just a few months, but what I am promising is that this is the exact same system that I've given to Chan, to Will to make $5K per month, to Ronaldo to quit his Best Buy warehouse job. So I'll link the 5-day fast start below. All you gotta do is click the first link below to check it out, and I'll let you convince yourself on whether or not it's the right fit for you. So moving on, what do you actually have to do to your channels to make sure it's not perceived as unoriginal or inauthentic so you don't get demonetized? Let's go over that next. So I'm assuming really bad AI voices are probably gonna lead to your channel not being able to be monetized. Maybe they'll ban all like the common AI voices entirely, but I'm not super sure on this one. We'll just have to wait and see. The fact of the matter is AI voices are here to stay and they're only getting better and better. So we'll see what happens, but like the really bad ones that really sound annoying to listen to, you definitely want to avoid those. Of course, completely AI generated videos are definitely going to get you demonetized, like the little short channel I showed you earlier. And overall, if people click on your video and they just get annoyed because it comes off like AI slop, your channel is probably not going to be monetized. And the way I like to think about it is it's kind of like the definition of porn that was conceived by the Supreme Court, I believe. And when it came to the Supreme Court, they defined porn as you know it when you see it. So basically, I assume that you can use as much AI as you want as long as it doesn't come off like AI slop. Reaction and commentary stuff is still completely safe as stated by this guy.
This is a minor update to YouTube's long-standing YPP policies to help better identify when content is mass-produced or repetitive. This type of content has already been ineligible for monetization for years.
He's a channel owner that works with the YouTube team. And overall, will there be bumps in the road where, a channel that isn't AI slop might get demonetized because it was wrongfully classified as AI slop? Possibly. If your goal is to be able to make money while working less than 99.999% of the people on planet Earth, then adapting to rule changes like this is kind of just a part of the game and something that I'm here to support you all the way through. Because when I was getting started and I was struggling and I wasn't getting any views and I was really discouraged, I will always come back to a question like this where I would ask myself, would you rather work another 20 to 30 years at your job or just learn to work around changes like this? When you frame it that way, I think the answer is obvious. Again, I personally can't wait because the higher perceived value of YouTube is, the more money we can all make together. And with YouTube pushing new channels more than ever before this year, you should be very excited to jump on this train. Again, I'll upload a full breakdown of the new guidelines when they get published on this channel, so make sure you subscribe. And if you're wondering how I've been able to scale 2 Faceless channels to over 7 figures a year, well, I actually filmed a full breakdown on how I made over $2 million in just YouTube ads off of just one channel. It's this video right here, and it's all thanks to a system that I call the Henry Ford model that allows you to scale up your income while reducing your hours to as low as an hour a day. So click the card on the screen to watch it now, and I'll see you over there.